it's me again. Okay, this time I put tape on the little borders, make a little frame, and I'm probably gonna start coloring the whole cat with this color. I'm trying to see what this color is. Maple's yellow. Let's see. I'm trying to do a ginger kitty. I did told one of my followers it's gonna be in colors though, and I told her to sit tight. I probably gonna get a Q-tip and probably spread this all over. So I use like the flesh tone pastel colors. And I am in the flesh tone, excuse me, I'm yawning. After that, I might do my little exercise. I don't know, should I use plain Q-tip to see if I can spread it around? Or Q-tip and what's your name? And baby oil. Ooh, whoa, okay. Up here a little bit, okay.